Alright, today we're changing the oil on this Toro Timemaster. This is its second season, so we're going to go ahead and change the oil out. There's kind of two different ways to do this. One, which is what I'm going to be doing, you can put this bar straight up and tilt it down this way, or you can buy a pump that you actually can pump out every ounce of oil. I think the tip method gets about 80-90%, and I don't want to buy another pump, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be using this Toro SAE 30. This comes in 18 ounces and it's on Amazon for about $8. There's a link below in the description. And you basically just need your oil and something to catch the oil in. I have a triangle oil pan. I've also linked that below. Let's get started. So really all you need to do is run it for a few minutes to get it warmed up. Go ahead and remove your drain plug. And you want to make sure this is standing up. It's easiest to get it done that way. And then you just want to tilt this over. Crawl to a drip. I'm going to let it drip for a few more minutes and we'll tilt it back up. Alright, so we got the dirty oil. Let's see, it's pretty filthy. The neck of this does fit pretty nicely in the drain plug. So I'm going to pour about 3/4 of this and then check my levels and top it off as needed. It's actually perfect. Kind of probably hard to see, but let me try that again. That's right where it needs to be. Alright, job done. So it only ended up taking about 16 of the 18 ounces. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped a little bit. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.